we are going to discuss about the characteristics of developing country. So basically, which country is known as the developing country? The country where the economic development and economic growth, the both processes still going on. They have not achieved. They can't say yes, we have did the economic development in the all areas of our country. So the countries will be considered as the developing country. Basically, the all South Asian countries will be considered as the developing country. One of the best examples of the developing country is none other than our India. Let us discuss what are the features of a developing country. So the basic features of a developing countries are low level of income, predominance of agriculture, capital deficiency, technological backwardness, inadequate infrastructure facility, higher rate of population, illiteracy, infant mortality rate, tradition bound attitude towards work and life, and joint family system. Let's discuss in detail. First is low level of income. Basically, in all developing countries, the individual's income is very low, and the main reason behind that is they are totally dependent on the agriculture. The predominance of agriculture exists in the developing country, and because of this reason they are dependent on agriculture, and agriculture is dependent on the weather, and that's why they have the uncertainty of the income, or even if they are getting the income, because they are the landless laborers, so their income level is very low. The next one is predominance of agriculture. Basically, in the developing countries, the most preferred occupation is agriculture, because for the agriculture they doesn't require any kind of the degree or diploma or any skills. They only need physical labor. So it is because in the developing countries the education is not widespread. That's why the most preferred occupation which is selected by the country citizen is agriculture. The third one is capital deficiency. Just now, as we discussed, the predominance of agriculture exists, where there is the uncertainty of the income. When the income is uncertain, a person can't think about the savings or turning the savings into investments. When the investments are not there, capital formation is almost impossible. So capital deficiency is also one of the main highlights of the developing countries. The next one is technological backwardness. In the developing countries, because the persons are not educated, or we can say the whole major part of the population is uneducated, so mentally they are not ready to adopt the technological advancement or the modernization in their mind. They think, they believe that if we are adopting that also, it is a very great challenge for them. So because of this technological backwardness, their production level is low, which leads to the low income level.